Yes, I'm on live. There's a lot of problem today, some network problem. I was supposed to be live on Shama's profile, but I think she has issues with her connection. So I'm trying. So I tried coming on my live. Hi Ajay. I see you here. So yeah. So if her live starts working, then I have to disconnect this and go on her live. Because that's what our plan was. Hi Shama. Okay, so I'm going to get Shama online. Hang on a second. You guys will see Shama soon. Hi, finally!
हेलो आई
We
नो मेरा
made
तो
it.
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ वियर्ड ही हो रहा है माय इंस्टाग्राम इज
Yeah,
हंग आई थिंक
सोचो कि मैं इतना वेट कर करके थक गई. I
आई
said,
हैव
okay,
बीन
मैं अब
ट्राइंग
live
दिस
पे
पास्ट
जाऊंगी.
15 minutes I'm like यार क्यों नहीं चल रहा है जस्ट कीप शोइंग मी paused hang on so I don't know what's happening so I hope
Bad
all the
network,
people
Shama, bad network.
are you also facing the same problem.
No, I didn't face it now, but I have faced this a couple of days back.
चलो
So
अच्छा
I
है
think
एटलीस्ट
everybody is taking turns. So
how are you doing I haven't seen you in so many
look at
days my god.
me. Look at my quarantine life. What we are doing. There were times that we used to literally hang with each other every day.
I know every day, and now we
Damn.
haven't seen each other in like what 30
How
days
many days?
now
Yeah, almost a month.
because we started quarantining before the actual lockdown happened.
Exactly. I know,
So we
but
have
it's so tough, yeah. It's so tough to actually think about it that we used to meet each other or with all the friends in a
I
group.
know, and we haven't seen
And now
anybody in so long.
Corona has kept us away. We have broken records.
We have. I don't think anything else could have stopped us. So something like this had to happen to stop us.
I know, but क्या हो रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? This is what we're doing.
वही
We're
baby.
getting ready. We get little touch up. We get super excited and come on live.
I know. I
At
mean,
least we
that's
have.
all. That's all that I have also been doing. Just been going, trying to tell my mind to be sane, and like tell my mind like everything is okay. It's just a normal day. I used to give interviews with cameras. Now, right now, it's a live interview. So doing makeup and
Self.
getting ready is making me feel a little better about myself rather than just sitting in oily hair and pajamas all day. Then you
Every
feel more
day. It's so
depressed.
depressing.
Of course, absolutely, absolutely.
I also started doing this 3 days ago. I started like just going to my wardrobe, picking up clothes, trying to wear just to feel good about it that, okay, I'm
Yeah,
doing something.
you have to, yeah. I mean, come on. Otherwise, you'll go insane because the more you sit in that situation, जितने आप बुरे लगते हो, उतना ही body को
Uh,
भी बुरा feel होता है. Your mind start telling you that there's something wrong because you're not taking care of yourself. You're not being your usual self, and then how suddenly, slowly, we get very depressed. I think that's what's happening to a lot of people. Because they are not doing anything. They are waking up and sleeping. So when you're at home, nobody maybe doesn't even take shower for a couple of days because
what
nobody.
to do? Take
So
shower, come out, go back to sleep.
yeah, but I think taking shower is so important. Yeah, I mean, you feel at least you feel fresh, and you feel that
See,
there's
all
something
my
very
fans
positive
are
about a
calling
shower.
you beautiful, beauties. Say hi
Thank
to all
you.
of
Hey
them. They
guys,
all know
hello,
you
hello.
so well.
Sorry, I couldn't connect on my Insta, so we are all here on Lakshmi's Insta. That's what friends do. We just help each other.
And we both have common followers, so it's
Yes, and
cool.
we
That's
do. So
one good
yeah,
thing.
one good thing. And thank you so much for following us and liking our work and commenting on our friendship and liking our stupid silly posts and jokes and all that. So thank you so
And
much. You
all,
guys have been a
especially
part
no
of our
for
family.
Shama's TikToks that she keeps us entertaining.
I mean, that's one thing that's keeping me sane right now. It actually makes me
Yeah,
feel I'm still an actor. I haven't forgotten my job.
that's what. That's what. I think we should keep doing these all funny videos and keep posting and
I
challenging
mean,
each other.
Yeah, what can you do? I mean, being sad, kitna din sad rahoge, and it will only make you sadder, day by day. If you just become really sad about this whole situation, yes, it's a serious situation. Yes, the whole country, the whole
But
world is
Shama,
suffering right now.
what do you think about this whole extension? How are you dealing with it? Did you
Maybe I
expect this
think
coming?
Absolutely. Didn't I tell you in the beginning only maybe इतना जल्दी नहीं खत्म होगा? Because
Hmm.
हमारी संख्या देखो ना लोगों की, कितने सारे लोग हैं हिंदुस्तान में, बिलियन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन है हमारी, कितनी 2 या 3 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन है. अगर ऐसे
बहुत.
में किसी भी किसी को भी कम्युनिटी में फैलने लग गया ना, तो ऐसे आग की तरह फैलेगा, एंड इन द हॉस्पिटल विल हैव नो प्लेस for everybody, and then we will be facing even more fatal consequences and more fatal future. So I think it I mean, it only makes sense to me right now
Rahul
to
is saying
extend
Shama
this.
Sikandar, nice video on TikTok.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for watching. So sweet.
No, but
I wanted to make.
do you think it'll further extend? What do you think?
I
Let's
think I think
let's
it I think
predict.
it will. I absolutely think it will. It will, at least in,
Don't
in a
tell
city
me.
like Mumbai, because of course, baby, because see, even though we are locked down, we are in
Hmm.
our homes. It's still the
Hmm.
the 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 क्या बोलते हैं, जो लोगों जो अफेक्टेड लोग हैं, उनकी संख्या और बढ़ रही है. तो अगर
Hmm.
हम खुल गए, अगर सारी सिटी खुल गई तो क्या होगा? It'll be a mess.
But is it only to do with Maharashtra or you're talking
No,
about
no, no, all
the
over India,
entire?
yeah. I mean, but Maharashtra, mein, obviously, there are more people. People come from everywhere. This is like a city of dreams. Everybody wants to make their dreams
Hmm.
come true, and a lot of people from nearby towns, cities do come here to work on daily wages. So right now, even they are stuck and they are suffering. I mean, yes, our suffering is not fair, but uh,
Hmm.
but that's the only solution, I guess. I don't see any other solution. I don't know
But
what
even
can be
this,
done. The only
is
one thing
this
I
lockdown helping us in some form, is what you're thinking? Because every day I see cases increasing. I need to hear
but
some sort of
imagine
a
if we
relief
don't.
news, like kuch to, like some people are recovering, some people are getting out of it, some sort of a relief. The minute I wake up in the morning, I only hear bad news about this whole virus, and it's
Yes,
scary.
it is scary. I mean, it is scary. But imagine if there was no lockdown, it would have been really, really scary.
Then virus all over.
All over. I mean,
COVID-19 would be in the house.
absolutely, absolutely. And I don't think that we should not be scared, like as if अगर हमको हो गया तो क्या होगा, because our immune
Hmm.
systems are pretty strong, stronger than other country people, because we
Hmm.
Indians are so, like हम इतनी सारी डिफिकल्टी से गुजर चुके हैं कि हम लोग अभी तक बहुत स्ट्रांग बन गए. बट देर आर ऑफ कोर्स लॉट ऑफ एल्डरली पीपल जिनके इम्यून सिस्टम इतने स्ट्रांग, और अगर इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग भी है तो बीमार तो पड़ेंगे ही ना. और अगर इतने
Hmm.
सारे एक साथ बीमार पड़ गए, सारे कोरोना
Hmm.
के बेड्स अगर हमने ऑक्यूपाई कर लिए, तो इतने तो बेड्स
Hmm.
भी नहीं है हमारे, और ना ही इतने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं कि इतने बिलियन लोगों को वो अकोमोडेट कर पाए. सी लुक एट अमेरिका टुडे, कितने लोग वहां बीमार है, और कितना, क्योंकि उन्होंने लॉकडाउन नहीं किया. टुडे दे आर सफरिंग द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज, द
Sad,
हाइएस्ट
sad
डेथ रेट,
situation.
the highest spreading rate over
But
there.
I still heard that America is not on a complete lockdown. There are people still roaming
because they
around.
because because they still wanted to save their economy. I understand their point also, but now it's gone out of hand. People
But
are
what's
really
more
scared.
precious than lives? Don't
Absolutely,
understand.
absolutely. So now people are like really in this whole mind zone that what the hell is happening? Like, nobody
So do
wants to
you
get
think,
out.
is this going to be our new normal?
Baby, I think anything is possible. I think this thing is going to teach us a lot of things, and I absolutely believe that it is certainly teaching me a lot of things about so much wastage we've been doing in our life. So much money we've been spending for no reason. So much could have been saved and used for other purposes. I mean,
True.
today, look at us. I mean, we are surviving. We're pretty good. We have everything
Yes.
that we need to survive, and we are not
Yes.
spending like crazy. अभी सारी mall वॉल सब खुली होती है, हम तो चले जाते रोज shopping करने के लिए for no
That
reason.
way we should feel blessed that,
Yes, yes, yes,
we
absolutely.
are all
It's
under
it's
a
also
roof where we are secured.
absolutely, and we are the few blessed ones, I would say, lucky ones. I feel immensely sad for the people who don't even have a house,
Yeah, you are
who are
my
on the
crush.
roads.
Hmm. Can you
So
read all those comments, Shama?
I can.
A lot
I
of
can.
people are asking a lot of questions. I
Yeah.
can't answer on your behalf. So why don't you quickly just
पूछो पूछो
answer to
किसको
all?
क्या पूछना है पूछते रहो, बीच बीच में हम आप आपके आपके सवालों के जवाब देते रहेंगे तो हमारी तो बकवास चलती रहेगी.
हाँ, हम तो वैसे ही बातें करते रहते हैं.
I know,
And we'll
I
never
know.
stop once we start.
That's true. That's true. Both of you looking good says Rudder Boost. यार कहाँ से नाम लेके आते हो ऐसे सब? I have been reading such amazing names of people that I really get like, wow, how did you even think about that
Hi,
name?
Lakshmi. Why aren't you married yet? Who's this?
हाँ, Lakshmi,
Who's
why aren't you married
asking?
yet? Tell me. I want to go to
Shama,
the
just
wedding.
explain them, Shama. Why are these people after my marriage?
Yeah, I don't know. I
Why
don't know. I
people
mean,
want me to get married?
yeah, because I certainly
You
want
guys
you to
will be
get
happy.
married.
So I'm first waiting for Shama to get married because
Oh,
Shama
by the
is
way,
on the line.
I saw a dream and I was going to call you. मैंने बोला ये तो मुझे जूते मारेगी. मैंने कहा पहले तो उसके सपने. Once remember I told you that I saw a dream about your birthday in a flying magic carpet.
Yes, yes.
Now I saw a
I
dream
was
of
the
you
Aladdin on an Aladdin carpet.
on an Aladdin carpet. Now I saw a dream where you are getting married and I'm like, oh my God, Lakshmi, look at
Thus,
this. You were
now your
telling me to get
dream is
married.
only
Now
going to
you're
get me
married.
married. Guys, did you hear that? You know who's sending me all these posts, right?
See, if she gets married, it's because of me. Because I saw this intuition first and I'm already announcing, guys.
So
Arun
Ajay is
Dravid
asking,
बोल रहा है, why you not speaking in Tamil? Arun Dravid, if she speaks in Tamil, how the hell will I understand? Because I'm not a Tamilian.
what is the lockdown? What is the lockdown? What if the lockdown is over? Would you go to stores and asked for new arrivals? What is this, Ajay? What question is this?
Ask for
Can
new
you just
arrivals मतलब क्या?
Oh, new arrivals, you mean to say new stocks?
अरे यार, I don't think अभी आगे 5-6 महीने तक किसी में भी ये हिम्मत है कि कोई बाहर निकलेगा. I mean, I think even after lockdown, we'll be very scared to move around, and we'll be very careful.
It's
And I
not going to
don't
be
think
normal. Even after
no,
lockdown, I feel a lot
no.
of
There will be a new normal
changes.
for sure.
Yeah, there will
And
be a
and
new normal.
I don't see myself traveling. I don't see myself, spending money on faltu items that I don't need in my
I
life.
think we're saving on a lot of money right now, especially on
Yeah.
your travel. The ticket monies are all saved, Shama.
भाई लोगों, हम अपना पैसा खर्चा करके जाते हैं. If you want to know, and we work really hard for it, trust me, and we save our money and we spend it on us. It's not like ऊपर से झाड़ से कोई पैसे बरसा रहा हो और हमारे
Shama,
पास
there
बहुत
is a
पैसा है.
request from Shibin saying, please sing a song, duet song.
No, you don't want that.
They have seen your talent, Shama. Come on.
They've
They
seen your
want you
talent because you keep posting all the karaoke things. Have you guys heard
to
Lakshmi sing?
imagine
She
during
sings like a
lockdown we couldn't do
nightingale.
this.
Huh? Oh, man, we
We
should do
should do
that. We
this
should have a karaoke at
online.
home, but ab kahan?
We should, but then I should sing from here, you should sing from there. I'm
That'd be
sure
fun.
there is some,
Actually, we should do
must
that.
be
We should
some
do
app.
that. आप क्या मतलब ऐसे लाइव वाइव करेंगी? तू वहां से गाना, मैं यहाँ से गाऊंगी. Let's do that.
And kaun
That's such
bajayega?
good fun.
And you have a piano, so why don't you play that? And I'll have background music.
I'll have to hire some piano players here.
There is one in-house. In-house
There is one in-house.
piano artist.
Piano artist, yes. Piano artist, maid, cook. He's everything.
Shama, people want you to learn Tamil and speak to them in Tamil. That's a lot of
The
requests.
only word I know in Tamil is इनके rumbu pasir के दे. That's it.
यहाँ पे भी खाने के बारे में बात करिए, बोलो.
I love food and I can talk about food all the time. All my friends they tease me कि इसका जब भी मुंह खुलता है एक ही बात की मुझे भूख लगी है खाना चाहिए.
Shama, I'm falling in love with your recent look. Says
Thank you.
Shama Yasmin. Oh, you guys share the same name.
Shama Yasmin, thank you Shama. Thank you so much.
You can read all the comments, no Shama.
हाँ अभी मैं पढ़ती हूँ.
Because a lot of questions.
I think we should take one of the fans also ना. हमारे किसी fan को हमको add करने की कोशिश कर लीजिए. I don't know how to do this. This is the first time I'm doing this.
More than one we can add. Guys, we are technically challenged.
Yeah. We are technically challenged people. Please bear with us. We would love to talk to you guys. Asib Ibrahim, I love you, Lakshmi. Dekh.
I love you all, literally all, especially during lockdown, so even more.
I
Now
know,
I
I know.
know.
You guys are still coming and watching us and like appreciating our work. I mean, there's nothing more that tells us that how much you love us and how
That
much
that
your
only keeps us
loyalty.
motivated.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
True, true. I think we should
But
do more of live very often, Shama. We
yeah,
should do
let's try
more
to
of
connect
live.
all our friends. Maybe somehow 3, 4 of us can
But
connect in a
yeah,
week.
but I don't know if Insta can handle more than two videos on the same frame.
Maybe Insta will go hang.
Guys, is anyone pro at this? You guys can write to us how to do this if you guys know about it.
हाँ कोई हमें बताए भाई.
Shama, who is Lakshmi in love with? Who was
हैं क्या हुआ?
flying the Aladdin carpet?
भाई ये तो सीक्रेट है भाई, तो मेरे
Rockstar,
सपने थोड़ी मैं तुमको बताऊंगी सारे.
Rockstar is asking Shama, who is Lakshmi in
Who
love
was
with?
flying
Who
the
was
carpet?
flying the Aladdin carpet? Shama.
Hmm.
I don't know who this clever follower is.
हाँ, बड़ा दिमाग है यार तेरे में. इंटेलिजेंट हो तुम.
Complete, हाँ मतलब ड्रीम में घुस गया और पूछने लगा कि who this is.
Who is this? Tech freak saying Shama Singhani, you're so correct about the pandemic. Thank you. I don't know. I should be correct or no at this point. At
But
this
I
point,
think they want to know more about.
I just want this to go away. Vikas Mal is saying both are so beautiful. Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Why you ask Shama about marriage? Something fishy? What is this PD? Why you ask Shama about marriage? About the marriage? What is this?
Because हम friends हैं, हम बकवास करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ ऐसी वाली.
So
हमारा
the
काम
dream
ये है.
doesn't, guys, so the dream doesn't come telling or informing us, no, that we are going to come in your dream. So that was her dream,
I
guys.
know,
Don't
dream
take
is
it
dream. You can just
seriously.
see anybody anywhere. That's the
I
best
can
part of
see
the
you
dream.
all also getting married tomorrow, all my fans someday.
कोई फहीद लाश
By
बोल रहा है,
the
will you marry me?
who?
फहीद राश बोल रहा है, will you marry me?
Oh my God, I already have marriage proposals now. See,
आजकल
Shama,
तो मेरे
what you're
को
putting these thoughts in my
बेबी
fans.
बेबी अब क्या बताऊं मैं, ये थॉट्स तो मेरे हैं ना. मेरे को अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहनने, इतने जो कपड़े मैंने साई की वेडिंग के लिए बनवाए थे मैं कहाँ पहनूंगी.
I swear, one of our
One
friends
of
is
our
supposed
close
to.
friend had a wedding this month, and he cancelled his wedding, and they are both going through such sad phase, but at the same time they both realize that it's very important to keep everybody safe and all the family safe, so they literally canceled the wedding now. So हम सब एकदम ready थे, सारे कपड़े वपड़े सब बनवा के हमने
All the
ready
clothes
रखे
are
थे.
lying in our wardrobe.
And now it's
We
just
don't know whose marriage is going to be first and where we're going to wear those
after this
outfits.
pandemic, who's going to get married? We have no idea.
We don't even know how many people are going to come.
I know, that's true. पैसे बचेंगे वैसे, ठीक है, अच्छा है.
हाँ, अभी हजार लोगों का अभी बस 50 लोग हो जाएंगे.
भाई 20 लोगों को बुलाओ.
Mustaq Sheikh, hi Mush.
Nush,
Mustaq, I.
Mushtaq
You
is
know
there.
Mustaq? Yeah, he's
Hi
here.
Mushtaq.
Love you too, Mush. Thank you. Big hug to you too.
I don't see his messages anywhere. There's so
Oh,
many
you
messages.
you can scroll up, Shama. You can just keep
Okay.
scrolling up.
Okay.
You are as bad as me. So yeah, some people want you to speak on your experience of how you've been dealing with the lockdown and what you've been up to and what you have to say about this whole pandemic. A lot of questions to you, Shama.
Well, yay, भाई, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, we are trying to be sane, and I wake up every day and I tell myself that everything is okay, all is well, and this is a normal day. Let's get up and have breakfast and go take a shower, exercise, do some house chores, कुछ cleaning करो, कुछ खाना वाना बनाओ, और फिर शाम को जो है अपने दोस्तों से बातें करो लंबी लंबी, फिर Netflix देखो, सो जाओ. So that's what I've been doing, and I've been trying to meditate. Yes, I
You've been
meditate.
watching a lot of shows?
A lot of shows. Yeah, I think I've literally eaten everything. I don't think there's
You
any
guys
more
are
left.
having a blast in this chat and it shows. Yes, Mustaq. We've been having a
Yes.
blast. Hi, Ashwini Raibagi.
Ash! ये चली गई क्या? कि इधर ही है?
चली नहीं गई, कैसे जाएगी? Where to go?
हाँ, मैं वही सोच रही हूँ, ये भाई मतलब
In
तो क्या
fact,
वहां बैठ के मतलब वहां दूर से वो अपने मोबाइल से मैसेज कर रही है?
Shama, how are you, baby?
I'm
She's
good, baby.
definitely.
How are you? I miss you so much. I miss your beautiful face. Where are you? Show me your face.
Hi, Suresh. I know she's been like actually going for one of my family members have they've just gone through a surgery, so she's been visiting hospitals and been
I
taking care of
see. I see. I see.
them. So Shama, she's asking where my sister is asking. My sister's saying, how can I go without you, without meeting you? I love you,
Baby.
babies.
ओहो, मतलब इतना प्यार मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
Chandan,
कुनूर.
Kunur, now started. All these people came online. अभी जाग गए
बस
लोग.
अभी हमारा अकाउंट कभी भी हैंग हो सकता है भाई लोगों. क्योंकि हमारे सब दोस्तों ने हम पे हमला कर दिया है.
Totally. So they're asking. So continue, Shamaki. You've been watching a lot of shows. A lot of people are
Yeah, a
asking,
lot of
please.
shows. I can suggest you guys some shows if you want to watch. There's some amazing shows on Netflix called Money Heist, Ozark. लक्ष्मी तो देखती नहीं है, इसको मैंने 50 बार बोला है, लेकिन वो देखती नहीं.
I'm so bad. I keep taking all the show names from her. Shama, just tell me which is the interesting show and all of that.
Yeah,
And
but
she
she
gives
never
me
watched.
all the list, the names in the list, and I'll think of sitting down and I start. And if I don't find it interesting, I just put it off.
I
I
know.
don't know why I'm not this person. I like doing a lot. I mean, other things better than just watching, and I just feel I'm stressed when I watch all these stressful shows. I really get stressed in my head. How people can think like this? But in a way, it's good. I started watching Money Heist. It's quite interesting,
I
Shama.
love Money Heist. I love the professor. I mean, I was just,
Oh my God.
I mean, he's
That
so good.
Tokyo character, she is something else.
She's something else.
So, any
She
new
is.
shows that you watch, Shama?
So I'm just watching this new show called Pretty Little Lies. It's on Hotstar. It has Nicole Kidman and Reese Witherspoon and a couple of very big names, and pretty good show. Actually, you guys should watch it. Pretty Little Lies is called.
Oh,
Then I saw a couple of movies on Hotstar.
hi,
I saw
Vinu.
Solo on Hotstar. मैंने देखी नहीं थी Star Wars में कि जो
Hmm.
Solo last वाली आई थी. So I saw that, and I also saw a couple of documentaries on Netflix. What the Health I saw. Don't Fuck with the Cats I saw. That's a nice
Someone
one. You
is
should watch.
asking, how are you managing to get your own things like essentials? Are you stepping out or not?
Well, we
How are you
try
managing?
to. We have our society has now managed to like call certain people down in the building, so all of us can
Hi,
go
Nitin.
down and
Hmm.
buy some items. Um, yeah, so we're trying to not step out as much as possible. But if really we need something, we have to step out. Then we step out with a lot of precautions. We sanitize ourselves. We wear gloves and
Sorry.
masks.
1 second, I have to stop you here. Somebody is
Yeah.
telling me, hi, my ex-girlfriend Lakshmi. Who are you? Do I even know
Okay.
you now? What is this happening?
Oh, scandal,
Oh my
scandal,
God.
scandal.
Oh my God, this is, I don't know whether to laugh at this
अभी
or
देख
be.
तेरे व्यूअरशिप कैसे बढ़ती है धड़ 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 suddenly scandals
Ever
happening.
since that you've told about that Aladdin and your dream and all, people have already
People are
made
just
you their
dreaming now.
girlfriends, ex-girlfriend. Now I don't know what is the future planning. So they're
Okay.
asking about, are you stepping out?
So as I said,
You
if I
go.
really have to step out, then yes, I do. I wear my gloves, I wear my mask, I sanitize myself completely, and before entering my house with all the veggies, I wash them outside only with soap and water and some
Oh,
Dettol. And obviously keeping in mind कि जो धोया जा सकता है वही धोए और जो नहीं धोया जा सकता वो ना धोए. और उसको I try to keep it in sunlight so all the germs die, and then when you are cooking that, you anyways do all the sanitization of hands and everything, and then you wash it nicely in warm water. If not warm water, then cold water also.
do you
There's some.
actually take those boxes inside? No, right? Or do
I
you
so I so
unpack
I,
it?
what I do is I try to remove the outside box and the inside
Hi,
items.
Sahil.
Hi Sahil,
Who's the
Salacha, my
coolest
sweetheart.
friend that the two of you have? Think. Of
Huh? What?
course, Sahil.
What?
Can't go. Who is who is the coolest friend that you guys can have? Two of you guys can have. Think about
You.
it. Of
You.
course, there's nobody better than you, Kendall. You're
Yeah,
like a
you
packet of
entertain us so
entertainment.
much. How can we leave you?
You know he has chicken pox, right,
I
Shama?
know. What the hell? Like, how the fuck did you get it right
He's
now?
getting he's getting everything late in his life.
Yeah, like that's
I
like
hope
just.
that certain things come in time for him. Not not late. But yeah, I don't know. He never had it as a child, so I think once in a life that everybody
You
gets
have
it.
to have it,
That's
yeah,
how.
yeah. You have to have it, but I hope that
So
he's handling it pretty well. I
no,
mean,
he's
he
doing
seems like
better
it.
now.
He sent me such a funny message last night. He says, "Hi, Shama." So he sent me a picture of a candle, which is obviously almost empty. He goes, I don't know. Maybe I'm not sure. Was it you who put the candle thingy up? And I'm like, I'm not sure. Maybe it's not you. Maybe it is you. Oh, okay. Clearly, I'm not sure. I was like, yeah, clearly you're not sure.
Hello,
And it's
Poppy
amazing.
Jamal.
A candle doesn't know how to fix a candle.
There's a long story behind all his candles in his
I
house.
was like, why did Lakshmi give you this name? This name should be taken back.
Oh, you have no idea. It's a long story. He,
It's
even
funny.
even me as a girl would not have so many candles in my house. Like it feels like his house is a candle shop.
Wow. So I told him how to fix it, and he goes, "Oh, Babre, this is too much hard work. I can't do it."
So guys, you should by now you all should be knowing that Shama has this taste for doing up her house so beautifully and everything, like organizing things. And you guys must have seen her house by now in
Yeah.
all her videos. She has a very beautiful house, and the way she even places a candle looks like a piece of art. So yeah, that's Shama. And you know, a lot of people, my sister saying, Shama, I love your fingering. She's just
Thank
like
you,
on
baby.
and on about it right now. So please,
Thank
Shama,
you.
just tell
Thank
her.
you. तू आजा तू ले जा सब. अब
Poppy
तो मैं
Jabal is
दानवीर बन
asking,
गई हूँ.
tell me who loves me more. Poppy is asking a question to you.
To me?
Shama, tell me who loves me more. Who loves her
Me.
more?
Oh, between you and me. Poppy, ये तो तेरे
No,
को
in
challenge देके
general, she's
decide करना
asking who
पड़ेगा.
loves her more.
Poppy,
Do you
Poppy,
really
ये तो
want to
तेरे.
be truthful, Shama?
I mean, I can say I love
On
you
live.
more, but then how can
She will
I?
she will leave the live.
Yeah, yeah. I think Karan loves you the
So
most.
she's asking.
So he's another one of our friend, and I think, yeah.
Yeah, Poppy. So there are a lot of people. Shama, can you see them? Or can you read all the comments there, or it's
Yeah, I can,
it's
but there's
something
so
that you
many,
can't?
like, I can read them, but
Both are hot.
Shama hai to bol. You're
Both
crazy
aren't
fan from
answering. Poppy,
Qatar.
we love you the
Hi, Hassan.
most, Poppy.
Yes, Poppy. Of course, Poppy. We might not do all
This
your
goes
challenges,
without
silly little
saying.
challenges that you give us, but we love you.
She gives us so many challenges that we mentally become challenged.
But that was a good challenge that you did. I really liked it.
Yeah.
But she tells me you have to take this challenge. I say I can, but that hand that kept coming in between, I don't have the hand to do that to me.
Yeah, there was one more challenge way back. This was like last year, and she had some finger twisting challenge. It took me literally 20 days to learn that.
Finger
And I was
twisting.
not over it. Yeah,
Which one?
she
Like
had
this
some
one?
weird way of twisting a finger and then doing this and then coming back.
Oh
Something like
yeah,
that. I
yeah.
forgot about it. Remember, we were trying that once in your house when we all caught up.
Yes.
So she comes up with these weird challenges. I don't know if she sits at home and she plans all these challenges.
I think she does. Shahrukh Askari saying, "Hey beauty, enjoy." Hi, thank you, Shahrukh.
Hi. Hi, Shahrukh. Okay. There's so many people. You both are beautiful. La la la. Please sing a
Hi, Rai
song.
ma'am and Shama Sikandar ma'am. Lots of kisses and lots of heart eyeballs. Thank you.
So, guys, yeah, since we are sharing all these experience, and a lot of people are asking, okay, they were what's that? I Lakshmi Shama ma'am. Who's your favorite hero in Telugu? Shama
अरे
ma'am,
फैंस
who's
को
your
कैसे
favorite
ऐड
hero
करे
in
यार?
Telugu? I don't think request आता है because we are
दो ही
already
लोगों का होता है ना?
like split screen हो गया है. Because I don't see any requests coming suddenly. Obviously, it's disappeared. I'm sure a lot of people must have sent. देखे क्या? एक मिनट रुक जाओ.
Poppy send us a request or something, na? Shama, which color nail paint
Mm,
today? Are you serious? Ash, you love this nail paint. This is majburi wala nail paint. This is majburi wala
yes,
manicure.
baby.
When you don't have salons open and
Wow.
you try to fix them at home. This is silver.
Look at this
Hello, my
brat.
cutie. Hi.
Say
Did you have a good
hello.
birthday?
Say hello to all my fans and Shama Didi. Did you have a good birthday?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What did you do?
Yesterday was his birthday.
Yeah, what did you do?
What did you do?
I cut the cake.
He cut the cake.
Oh, you cut the cake and you ate it
Cut
all
the cake.
alone.
He had
Huh?
the first birthday in my family that who had a quarantine birthday. We somehow still managed to make a cake for him.
No, man, what are you going to do on your birthday, dude? Like, you've always been going out and, don't curse me now.
I should curse you for this. You know, Shama is one person who always eyes on my birthday. Like eyes on my
Not
birthday.
eyes. I'm trying to save you and your money.
Every time before I even plan, she'll be like, Lakshmi, before 3 months in advance, she'll be like, Lakshmi, where are we doing? What are we doing? Why are you going? She'll also be excited about it and she's like, why? Let's do this. And this time also, she had the same concern, you know, because my birthdays are celebrated in a big way. And she always feels that my birthdays are like marriages.
Yeah, I
Like,
feel like,
I
what are you
celebrate.
going to do in your wedding then? We're going to expect too much out of your wedding.
That's
Then
one
you'll
day,
depress
guys. I
us.
really feel special about myself and I really enjoy. I try to have all my friends and families
That's true.
together. But
Yes.
this time, Shama just opened her mouth way too much in advance. And then look what happens to me and what happens to my birthday. Now I'm only crossing my fingers. Even if it opens up, I don't think I can do anything much. I should only allow people like 10 people to come, wish me, and go back. And then the next set of 10 people will come inside.
Actually, we'll come under your building in our cars, and from our cars only we'll wish you.
Okay, cut the cake. Okay, bye bye. See you
Cutting,
next
bye
time.
bye, Lakshmi, bye.
And you know
That's a
what?
good idea.
This birthday, I'm having a theme party. Mask and gloves.
Mask and gloves. That's amazing. That's perfect theme, Lakshmi. I think this is
And
the first
written
time
gifts are going to be
everybody will follow the
sanitizers.
theme. Because every
The
time
most,
I
the
know we have
most,
a couple of friends who never follow any theme. Poppy knows who I'm talking about. And Poppy will
yes,
reply, okay? We love you, we said. She's like, both are not replying.
both are not replying.
अभी क्या हमारा लव को तो बाल्टी में डाल के तोलेगी क्या तभी पता चलेगा कि
Poppy,
कौन
why
है।
don't you reply to all my fans, Poppy? It would be easy for us.
Yeah, absolutely.
So today, this morning, did you see Poppy Jabal's post, the funny
I
post?
saw. That's what I'm saying. It was so cute. That's what I'm saying. That she said she told me you take the challenge. I said I can't because I need that hand, you know,
Yeah.
that special hand which was doing things to you.
So yeah, see, there's so many questions again about some. Bibi sir took you in that web series because you resemble Madhuri. Is this true? Shama, there's a question.
Me? Do I resemble
Yeah.
Madhuri? I don't
Yes.
know. I don't know. I mean, people say I sound like her, which I do, which I
You
feel that
look
I do.
a lot like her as well,
Do I?
Shama.
That's
Yeah.
a compliment, by the way. But thank you so much.
You look a lot like a lot of people, Shama.
Actually, yeah,
In
yeah.
fact,
When my parents were
every
giving me
angle
birth,
of
they saw a
yours,
lot of
yours.
movies. सब हीरोइन का थोड़ा 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 आईना मुझमें
But I
जो
must say
पैदा नहीं
that
हुई थी
Shama
उनका भी आ
is
गया
most hardworking person when it comes to you guys must be seeing her stories, following her stories. More than me, you know, she's more fitness conscious and she follows it up regularly. But I only go and join her and sometimes I get motivated by her.
अरे
Yeah, but this is what now all the gyms are shut. We are only at home. And me and Shama decided that we should go live, we should talk to all our fans.
Once we should do a live of our workout also. Let's do that. That'd be good. I think a lot of people can benefit from that.
Yeah,
What do you think?
we could do that. Yeah. Because a lot of people also are asking, how do
Yeah,
you
we should do
manage?
that.
How do you guys keep up, you know, this
Yes,
physique
yes, exactly.
and how?
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
a lot of people see that question,
Yeah.
Shama. There are
Yeah.
so many questions to you, Shama. I can't answer on your behalf.
Ayyo.
I,
कितना लोग ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल हाय हेलो हाय 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 शमा जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम वालेकुम सलाम खान रुमान हाय राय लक्ष्मी हाय सेक्सी सेक्सी दोनों सेक्सी ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच
I think you're way behind. I am seeing,
पॉपी बर्थडे अच्छा बहुत सारा है क्या नीचे वो अच्छा मैं तो बहुत सारा मिस कर दिया है
I think scroll up, scroll up. You'll keep going.
हाय लक्ष्मी डू यू प्रेफर ट्रेडिशनल वेयर और समर वेयर कार्तिक पूछ रहा है भाई
For me, traditional wear is a summer wear. I sweat when I wear traditional clothes because they're all heavy.
Srijit
Our traditional
Singh
clothes are heavy.
yeah Sridhar
So
saying Shama
Dave
you're
Singh
a
says
fitness
you're
issue
inspiring Shama.
who
Dave Singh.
yes we actually all of us friends we inspire each other and let me tell you that we love each other and
Touch
whatever
wood.
you've heard about women and whatever I don't think it
I don't
exists within
believe, I
us. I
don't,
mean
yeah.
yeah
We don't
we
see
really
that
do
within
help
us.
each other and inspire each other and we are happy for each other's successes looks beauty fitness
We
in
as
every way
friends are like family. We are there for each
yes
other through our
yes
thick and thins. Touch wood.
absolutely
That's how I think
absolutely
everybody should.
Shama who does Lakshmi speaks to most in quarantine
Who is this?
पता नहीं कोई रॉक कुछ तो था भाई रॉक स्टार पूछ रहा है ये रॉक स्टार है कौन है कुछ कुछ
Who is this rock star? Can you please come
I need
on
to know
live
who is
with
this
us
rock star
straight?
ah
This person
maybe
has some weird questions.
I know right like
But
really
he wants your answer, Shama, because he's saying, please answer.
who does Lakshmi talk to I think she talks to her sister the most because वो ही उसके पास है
Oh God. Both of you look fab. Any
thank you
web
so
series,
much
Shama, that you're
हाँ
doing? Somebody's asking. Any
I
web
am but
series?
अभी कहाँ से
Gia Gill.
अब तो सब खत्म होने के बाद ही शुरू होगा भाई
I think very soon we're going to come up with this format where we're going to shoot from the house and shoot from like how
yeah
these guys just made a video right now and released it so
yes
beautifully done in their own
yes
houses.
it is
I
absolutely
think we are going to direct ourselves. We're
yeah
going to do everything ourselves
absolutely
and we're going to just send the videos to the edit studio and then we
I
make a
had
short
the
of it.
same idea. I had the same idea for all of us. And I was telling James, can you edit it if it comes? Because he knows how to edit it. And
Yeah.
he's like, yeah, that's a good idea. And, you know, I was like, I was just thinking maybe we can all take up a song and probably dance on it or do some nice thing that can bring a smile on people's face, you know, since we are all missing each other any which ways. And we can't be together to shoot it. So let's just shoot it like, you know, once wherever you are and then send the videos but I
Yeah.
was thinking like I don't
Especially
know
the
happen
group
now
of friends that we have, we all can do we all can plan something,
yeah
write some interesting
yeah
concept
so
and do
I
something about it.
true so do you also think तेरे दिमाग में जो आए तो मुझे बताना and I'll also think about it
Yeah, I think we
okay
should
now
try
it's
this,
time for
but we don't know how. Yeah, go on a second live.
me to go for my another live I don't know if it's going to work
So
because
Shama
मेरा तो
is
Insta
busy
पे
with
चल नहीं
live
रहा
shows today, guys.
live करी जा रही हूँ मैं
So you're live on what, Shama, now? Where are you live on next?
so I'm live on this one channel from Amsterdam her
Okay.
name is
Oh, wow.
the channel's name is Fleur, I think Fleur, something like that, if I'm pronouncing it right. And very very nice lady. She's into fashion and she's a very big blogger and actor and all kind of mixed things. And she's been interviewing a lot of Bollywood actors. So yeah, when her request came to me, I was like, yeah, why not? It'll be great to connect people. You know, like this is the time to connect people from everywhere, and thanks to internet that we can
Everywhere.
connect so many people from anywhere in the world, you know. So I think it's a
Imagine
great
if you
idea,
didn't have
and
phones now.
yeah, like just imagine
What
what
would
would
be our
happen to us.
situations?
I think the internet was
So
made
somebody's
before
asking
this
when and
grew.
where did you meet James first time?
बहुत लंबी
Long
कहानी है मेरे
story.
दोस्त, next time
You
जरूर
need
बताऊंगी.
another live chat for this where Shama can explain you
I
guys.
know, but we promised we should do this, Lakshmi. We should do this more often, and
Both
let's
of
like
you are
plan for
amazing.
a
Hi
workout
Shama,
session or a
when
dance
are the
session or
flights
something like that
opening?
live for people.
Shama. Abbas Gaj is asking, both of you are amazing.
तेरा आवाज
Hi
कट रहा है.
Shama, when are the flights opening?
Abbas is saying what?
Hi Shama, when are the flights opening? Both of you are amazing.
I lost you. I lost you, baby.
Okay, can you hear me? Can you see the comments
I
below?
lost.
Abbas is asking, when are the flights opening? And you both are amazing.
I can, but you're breaking. Both of you are amazing. Hi, Shama. When are the flights opening? Abbas,
When
I really knew about flights. But I will tell you first. I promise. If I know. But take care, all of you. Thank you so much, our friends, for
exactly, we will
joining
know
us. And I'm going
first.
to say bye to you all because I have just 4 minutes to
Thanks,
connect with
love. I'll
another
see you
portal.
soon on the
See you
other
soon, my
side, on
love.
the other live chat.
Love you. Take care. I miss you so
Bye.
much. Bye.
Love you too.
Bye.
I miss you too. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.